Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete public profile on Snapchat. So if you also want to delete public profile on Snapchat, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Snapchat. You can see over here Snapchat is opened. Make sure you logged into your account. Now what you have to do is go to your profile. Simply tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to your profile interface. Over here you can see your name. Right under it you'll be able to see two options, my account and public profile. What you have to do is tap on the option public profile. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is go to settings. For that simply tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the profile settings. From here you'll be able to manage your public profile. Simply scroll down to the bottom. At bottom you'll be able to find the option for clear public profile. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Everything you've added to public profile will be deleted, such as bio, profile picture, public stories and stories saved to your profile. But snaps you've submitted to Spotlight or the Snap Map will remain. Read this information very carefully. After that simply tap on the clear option that you can see right over here. After that, your public profile will be deleted. So that is how you delete public profile on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.